ride the S train again from 42nd Street to 42nd Street.
From 42nd Street to 42nd Street?
Yeah, except now we're at Grand Central, and then we're gonna go to Times Square.
A couple of blocks, if not more, where there's just all of the track approaches to all the different.
Yeah, exactly.
This is like 100 of them.
Alright, so this is a Bombardier R62A, everybody. We're gonna take this to Times Square.
To the first, last, and only stop.
That's right. Oh, this one.
Named after the New York Times, a former newspaper.
Yeah. Sorry for the blurriness, the window's dirty, so. We're there. Again, sorry for the blurriness. The window is dirty. Oh yeah, the S is on my shirt. We're on it now.
All right.
There it is, Times Square.
This is Times Square, 42nd Street. Please watch the down to the lobby for the train.
Not even a 3-minute video. Alright, Times Square. And that's it, everybody.